Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record Discord audio inside of OBS. So we first need to launch up the Discord application, and once you have Discord running in the background, we can just minimize this window, and then you'll need to launch up the OBS studio. Now from here down in the audio mixer, you can see currently that my microphone's being recorded, as well as my desktop audio. So in order for this to work, we need to first reduce this desktop audio all the way down to minimum, and then you'll need to come over to this plus symbol in the left-hand side here and select Application Audio Capture. Then just give your application a name, so for this instance, I'll be calling it Discord, and then just come down to OK. Now we need to select the window where we want recorded, which is going to be Discord, and this is why we need to have Discord open in order to see this option. So just select discord.exe from this list. You could leave this window match priority the same and hit OK. Now as you can see down here in the audio mixer, we now have Discord added to this list, and we can adjust the microphone accordingly. So if you want to reduce the volume coming from Discord, we can do that in here, and we can also increase it as well. Now the only problem with using this method is once you've added Discord to this list, if you're also trying to record your game audio for instance, then this will no longer be being captured. So what you need to do is you need to come back over to this plus symbol, select Application Audio Capture, click on Create New and hit OK. And then you can also find the application or game that you're trying to record the audio from, and then just hit OK. Of course, if you're just trying to capture the Discord audio, then you won't need to do this step. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you capture audio inside of OBS. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.